Hello everyone, this is the video about how to install graphics.h file on your Ubuntu 18.04. Many people are facing this problem. The guile module in graphics.h file is causing some errors. So this is video about how we solve that problem in and let's proceed. So guys, this is the basic guide about how to install graphics.h normally on your Ubuntu. But if you follow this as it is, you can install graphics.h on the prior of 18.04 like 16.04. But if you are installing graphics.h on 18.04, you will not be able to install that. You have to make some changes in step 2 that we will show you how to change it, and then you can easily install graphics.h on your machine. The link of this documentation is in the description of this video. So let's start our installing the graphics.h in our machine. So let's first copy the step 1 and let's just paste it in our terminal. So this is very easy, and provide your password for your machine, and it should not take any much longer time. Then copy second step. I'm showing you what is the error that is you are facing in 18.04 due to guile module. The terminal is showing us that guile 18.1.8 is not locating, it is not able to locate that module. So we have to make some changes in that command. So let's just proceed. So to solve this problem, just copy the text from the link we have provided in the description, the first link. Just open that link and you will be able to see this page. Then just copy this link from the documentation and paste it in your terminal. Press Y to continue. Now copy this. Now go to that our documentation, and now install this libgraph 1.0.2 zip file. You can go to that link and click on it and download it. So I have already downloaded it and extracted it. So just go to the folder where you have extracted it and open it in your terminal. So go to your so and this is the extracted file that we have downloaded. Now copy these commands and paste. Now open that folder in terminal and paste that commands. Now you can see that all this procedure is going on in the terminal, and we are getting this error that libguile.h is not found. Now we will show you how to solve this. Now click on the link in the second link in the description. You will reach to this documentation. trying to install libgraph, and we will copy this command, and we it basically disable the libguile.h file which is causing error. Now we paste it here, and we are disabling libguile, which will solve our error. Now type this command, make install. It's again causing some error. Now type sudo make install, and provide your password, and the installation has been completed. We have successfully completed, and we have to follow one more step. We have to copy that last command in the previous document, and we have to paste it here. We have to provide our password, and we have done the installation. And now I'm showing you how that we have successfully installed. Now we will show you the one example that graphics.h is successfully installed on our machine. So just let's just provide some values, and you can see that we have successfully installed the graphics.h file. And thank you.